These Corsair RS120mm fans move a lot of air for their size, making them a strong choice for both case airflow and radiator duty in a modern gaming system. The daisy chain design keeps wiring neat by letting you link several fans together and run them from a single motherboard header, which really simplifies installation and cable management. Pulse width modulation control lets you fine-tune speeds from a quiet idle to high-performance cooling, so the fans only ramp up when your components actually need extra airflow. Corsair's directional airflow vanes focus the breeze where it matters most, helping hotspots around radiators, heat sinks, and graphics cards cool down more efficiently than with generic case fans. The magnetic dome bearings run smoothly with less friction, which cuts down on annoying mechanical noise and should help these fans last through years of daily use. 0 revolutions per minute support at low loads allows your system to sit effectively silent on the desktop while still having plenty of cooling headroom, ready for gaming or heavy workloads.